Let's go back to where it all began. Hello my friends, welcome to Art with Archie, and today I'm trying to attempt to make my first custom shoe. Wish me luck. So first we're gonna look for an idea, and I'm thinking donuts. So we're gonna turn our shoe, our plain boring shoe, into a donut drip. I have to make my own sketch out of the reference photo that I just pulled off. I hope this turns out great. Time for the juicy outline. Now let's get our acrylic shoe and start sketching on it. I sketched the donut drip design on the side of the shoe, and finally the exciting part, the painting. I've been so anxious about this, but so far everything is yeah. The sun was setting and I had to hurry up. So I decided to add donuts at the side of the shoe and also at the top, just to make it really look like a donut shoe. Don't forget the drip effects, my friends. For the type of paint I'm using, it's just a local fabric paint, very affordable. The link is in the description below. Telling me to get in line, I can see the pride coming up out your eyes. I'm not surprised. How can I do this? You sound like Judas, confide in the doula. I seen the road too long, the Pro Tools broke, but folks who hope they got anxiety, but cope with dope. The real one, we give the bread off for likes to get on. We build.
Wait a minute, hold on.
Oh,
I was literally going to cry, but I'm definitely not. We don't make mistakes, we have happy accidents. Quote Bob Ross.
Oh wait, it's my break time. Yeah, boy. That was refreshing. Now, time to razzle dazzle the front of the shoe. All colors that we just used. Let's go.
But now that I'm in control, what they gon' do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is on the ground, what you gon' do? I won't go for anything that isn't in direction of the goal.
So I decided to add something on the shoe, which is an off sign. I think it will look really good. Let's go. Now for the juicy outline. Enjoy the review. Wow, so much drip.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Praise be to the God above at the night. All I wanna do is love, I don't wanna fight. Why you coming at me telling me to get in line? I can see the pride coming up out your eyes. I'm not surprised. How can I do this? You sound like Judas, confide in the doula. I see mountain trying to move her. You live for the moolah. That's kinda cool. I'm frying the noodles. You pray to Buddha. I bow to you.